Kyle Rittenhouse, the Illinois teenager charged with shooting and killing 2 people and seriously injuring a third late Tuesday night, was in court for the first time today. His victims were in Kenosha protesting the police death of Jacob Blake. Rittenhouse allegedly came to Kenosha with a rifle to protect property from being looted. Our Ryan Jenkins has more on what happened in court this morning, and we do want to warn you, some of the video you're about to see is graphic.
17-year-old Kyle Rittenhouse will remain in custody in Illinois without bond. His attorneys this morning asking to delay the status of extradition hearing for 30 days. The Friday morning court hearing lasted just a few minutes.
By the request of the defense and motion defendant, based on their request, I will continue the matter.
And noticeably absent, 17-year-old Kyle Rittenhouse, who waived his right to appear, his attorney, Assistant Public Defender Jennifer Snyder, asking for the extension so that Rittenhouse and his family could hire a private attorney.
If we could go 30 days, Your Honor.
And we'll set it for status of extradition on Friday, September 25th at 9 o'clock.
Court Communications Director Lee Filas described what was supposed to happen today and what will happen next month.
He walks up and he decides whether or not he wants to waive his rights to an extradition hearing or wants to have an extradition hearing.
The teenager's charged with first-degree reckless homicide, which could land him in prison for up to 60 years. And he's charged with first-degree intentional homicide too, which could carry a life sentence. He's also facing 2 counts of recklessly endangering safety and is charged for carrying a dangerous weapon while under the age of 18. Flowers and photos now marking the spots where prosecutors say the 2 people Rittenhouse shot died. This cell phone video captured the violence. According to court documents, Rittenhouse first shot Joseph Rosenbaum after Rosenbaum threw a plastic bag at him. The criminal complaint goes on to allege protester tried to take an assault rifle away from Rittenhouse. Then Anthony Huber was shot and killed when prosecutors say Rittenhouse fell and Huber reached for the weapon. A third man, identified by friends as Gage Grosskreutz, was shot in the arm and seriously injured. Rittenhouse's attorney said in court today that Rittenhouse is trying to hire a private attorney. NBC News reported that an attorney named John Pierce released a statement last night saying in part, quote, "This was classic self-defense and we are going to prove it." I did reach out to that law firm, but I have not heard back today. Reporting in Kenosha, Ryan Jenkins, TMJ4 News.